a comprehensive guide on how to run a limited company. Setting up a limited company is often considered more expensive but less risky as compared to other legal structures for new startups or risky ventures. Limited company is a separate legal entity with its own liabilities and risks separate to the owners. If you plan to set up a limited company, you need to be able to do the following. Give your company a unique name. You cannot have a name similar to another registered company. Select your team of directors. Register your limited company with Companies House. Let us look at some of the elements involved in running a limited company. The directors are the ones who are responsible for running a limited company and with the following duties. They make sure all the company taxes are paid on time, as they require a few penalties on late filing. Getting business services or product registered for VAT when the annual turnover goes above £90,000. To ensure that all salaries and dividends are paid appropriately and on time. What are some of running costs involved in operating a limited company? Digital incorporation fee of £100, same day, £156, via cheque or post. It is a one-time cost. However, if you decide to do it via post, price may go up to £124. You are liable to 25% corporation tax for profits over £250,000 and 19% small profits rate for profits up to £50,000. If you import products from another country, you will have to pay import duty and other applicable taxes. Although hiring an accountant is not required, it is advisable to hire one at the start of your limited company when your business is the most vulnerable. How can we help? At Clear House Accountants, we provide you with critical support regarding the operations of your limited company and help you find optimal solutions to your accounting and tax problems. If you are looking for professional guidance, give us a call today. Sit back and relax while we do all the complicated work for you.